And let's chat with Vijay Bhambwani, who's the author and CEO of bsplndia.com, who joins in as always with his take on the trades you can be focusing on for today. Vijay, hi, morning. First up, take us through what you expect the Nifty to be doing.
Where the market outlook is concerned, the Nifty has gained on a week-on-week basis for 5 consecutive weeks. And as we know, 5 is a Fibonacci number, so the rally is fairly mature. This is not to say that the rally will not extend, but the acceleration upwards might just be a little calibrated. Where intraday pivot levels are concerned, the bullish pivot for the Nifty spot is at 6,185 levels. As long as the bulls manage to keep the Nifty spot trading above this threshold, the primary target will be 6,220 and the secondary target will be 6,240. I expect profit taking to emerge at 6,240 levels for an intraday basis. On the other hand, the bearish pivot for the day will be at 6,165 levels, below which the primary target will be 6,150 and a secondary target of 6,120.
Okay, and how do you expect the real estate index to pan out?
The real estate index, the CNX Realty Index, has seen the highest closing after mid-March on the weekly charts, and it is likely to encounter resistance on the upside should it rally by another 5% or so. So the 270-272 band will act as a resistance and basically cap the upsides. That's where frontline counters like DLF etc. might just see some profit taking. So the 270 levels on the CNX Realty Index needs watching by all real estate stock investors.
And amongst banking names, do you see any sort of trade on a State Bank of India?
SBI has seen its highest weekly close after the week ended January 25, 2013. So it will need a lot of follow-up buying support to push the prices higher from here. Being an index heavyweight and a heavily large cap counter, it will need a lot of proactive bullish support to basically build upon its recent gains. So I think long holders might just hold on to their positions, but initiating fresh long position should be done only after the Bank Nifty and the broader markets show signs of good amount of bullishness in the undertone.
Okay, and staying with the banking index, Vijay, would also like to know your thoughts on IndusInd Bank.
IndusInd Bank, on the other hand, is showing signs of mild fatigue. And in the coming few trading sessions, the 487 level needs keen watching. Should it break below the 487 levels, my guess is the stock might just seek equilibrium at lower levels.
And in terms of equity ideas for the day?
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy ACC for the day in the cash segment at marginal declines to the 1,260 levels. I would hold these long positions, so initiated with a stop loss at 1,248. My profit taking target will be 1,282 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a long in Chambal fertilizers in the cash segment, this time for delivery for a few days time frame. I would wait for a marginal pullback to the 48 levels and start accumulating the stock in the cash segment for delivery. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 46 paise, giving a leeway of 50 paise here and there. My target for booking profits would be 52 levels in the coming few trading sessions.
Sure, and from the FNO space, what do you suggest, Vijay?
In the future space, one saw a good deal of hectic activity in Crompton Greaves. I expect this follow-up buying activity to persist in the coming session. Therefore, I would want to buy May futures at marginal declines to the 104 levels. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 101, and I would expect to book profits at 110 or end of the session, whichever comes first.